best bacon grease container available on Amazon now. Rebel Canners, teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. We all can use a little bit more of the old ways these days. Hey, be sure you're subscribed because sometimes YouTube does some funny things with that. And be sure to hit the like button on your way out. Thanks. Good morning, everyone. So I have gotten this bacon grease container to try. I got it from Amazon. I'm not even trying to pronounce that. It's supposed to have this, and this is what I'm looking for. So we're going to go ahead and take this out and some instructions on that side. Wants to roll on me. Hard to hold the camera and hold this. All right. So dishwasher safe, 46-ounce capacity, 500-degree heat resistant, and trendy rustic farmhouse design. Ooh, all qualities I'm looking for. That is not a quality I'm looking for. All right, so we are going to take this out of here and see how it looks. It is so cute. So we've got the cup, we've got the strainer, and then it has a lid. And it is a nice, hefty size. All right, we're gonna get this put together. All right, there it is, all put together. And it also came with a spatula and some recipe cards for what to do with your bacon grease. Most of us do not need these, but all right. Anyway, bacon popcorn, interesting. All right, so there you have it. Very handy, and I'll let you know how I like using it. Thank you, Rebel Canners. While I enjoy seeing candy jars out on my counter, the bacon container with the strainer, which is most helpful, is way more attractive on the top of my stove than just a plain old jar. Like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss another episode. Check out this related video I've done on bacon grease, and don't forget to subscribe.